In this video, we're going to practice solving a system of equations using substitution. Substitution means to put one thing in place of another thing. So we have our system of equations here, y equals 9 and y equals 3x minus 6. In that second equation, I have both a y and an x. That means I can't figure out what one of those means because if I have both a y and an x in an equation, I can't just solve for one of them. So I need to do something to allow me to only have one letter in my equation. So I'm going to substitute in what I know to make it so that I only have one letter. So my first equation tells me that y equals 9, which means anywhere I see a y, I can just put the number 9. So in the second equation, that y is going to be replaced with 9. So I'm going to rewrite my equation as 9 equals 3x minus 6. The only thing I changed was that y. I turned it into 9 because my first equation tells me that y and 9 are the same thing. Now I can just solve for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is change and move my minus 6 to the other side of the equation by adding 6. That will help me cancel it out. So now I have 9 plus 6 is 15, and I'm left with 15 equals 3x. My last step is going to be to divide by 3 on both sides. So I will get 5 equals x. So for a system of equations, we're going to write our answer as an ordered pair, x and y. So we just figured out that x is 5. Now the nice thing about this example, we started off with an easy one. My first equation tells me what y is. I don't have to do any extra work to figure out y. It already tells me y is 9. So that's my final answer. X equals 5 and y equals 9.